You've been patient, but our patience is wearing thin, and your refusal has cost all of us. What more is there to wait for? What more do you need to see?
Oregon's vaccination requirement for healthcare workers will no longer have a testing alternative. Healthcare workers will be required to be fully vaccinated.
You who've gotten vaccinated, I understand your anger at those who haven't gotten vaccinated. I understand the anxiety about getting a breakthrough case. But as the science makes clear, if you're fully vaccinated, you're highly protected from severe illness, even if you get COVID-19.
I'm a mother, wife, Christian, patriot, and I will not comply.
We 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 will not comply.
I will not comply.
We the people will not comply.
We will not comply.
I will not comply.
I will not comply.
We will not comply.
We will not comply.
We will not comply.
We'd like to invite all of Oregon and our neighboring states to converge on Medford, Oregon on September 25th, 2021 at 1 p.m. United States and state leadership have taken a tyrannical and forceful tone.
First responders, including law enforcement, firefighters, medical workers, teachers, and companies with more than 100 employers, are waiting to file constitutional lawsuits with constitutional and religious attorneys at ready.
The only way the constitutional republic of the United States of America will stay free is through united noncompliance by millions of individuals that want their civil liberties to survive by standing up and standing together.
Traditionally, civil rights in the United States have offered protection to all religions, all political parties, all races, all doctrines, and all people.
What has changed?
Real data and information from other countries is not making it through the state-run media, who makes money through ratings by driving fear.
Honest journalism for all political persuasions is now found in independent media agencies.
The distributions of information for rallies and legal ways to fight back against tyranny and what has become a cult of politics and manipulation of science are now handled by we the people. We the people must rise up peacefully and without violence to stand for our freedoms. Vaccinated and unvaccinated, black, white, red, brown, Judeo-Christian, Buddhist, Islamic, and more, for any publishing and intellectual battle over freedom versus government control.
If you're tired of the status quo and the attack on your rights, and you live in an Oregon county or a neighboring state, please join us. Converge on Jackson County in Medford, Oregon. It's the most hated county in Oregon to Kate Brown, our governor. Stand up for your rights. Let her and Joe Biden and everybody else know that your rights will not be stepped on, nor will the rights of our workers. The event is Saturday, September 25th at 1 p.m. We'll be meeting on the corners of Stewart Avenue and Highway 99 in Medford, Oregon, and a rolling rally around town. We hope to see you there.
Step 1, train the people only to consume. Step 2, infiltrate adults with the news. Step 3, indoctrinate the children through the schools and the music and the apps on the phones that they use. Step 4, separate the right from the left. Step 5, separate the white from the black. Step 6, separate the rich from the poor. Use religion and equality to separate them more. Step 7, fabricate a problem, made a lie. Step 8, put it on the news every night. Step 9, when people start to fight and divide, take control. This is called situational design.